Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and I will show you how to insert a SIM card and memory card. So this device actually takes 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card, and you will need some kind of like pin eject tool. Usually they come with a phone, but if you don't have one, you can actually use a paper clip. Like for instance, I have right here this kind of completely bent out of shape paper clip. And what you want to do is on the side, which I think it's the left side, yep, right here. Yeah, not sure if you can see it, there are 2 different trays. So what you want to do is take that, either a paper clip or your tool, push it in there until it pops out like so. As you can see, it's popped out. And you can also do the bottom one as well. The bottom one will be the memory card. So now you can actually take them out. So I'm gonna take out the SIM tray. What you want to do is put in a card like this, with the little cutout, one of the corners being on the bottom right side, and then you can slide it back in like so. You can see till it clicks. Now you got the memory card, so what you want to do is just take it like you see it right now. Make sure it sits flush. It might actually be a little bit harder to basically put it in. For some reason it's a tight fit. So you want to kind of like push it in there so it actually sits flush. As you can see, it's fairly flush. It's not sticking out anywhere. And also slide it in here like so, till it all the way. And now you can actually unlock the device, and one of the cards has a pin, so put that in. And as you can see, both of them are recognized because the status bar is actually showing, and memory card is also here, as you can see, being recognized. So that is basically how you insert a SIM card and memory card. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.